Have you ever wondered why humans look so different, yet science says we all came from the same people? In this video, we'll explore how skin color, facial features, and hair texture changed as our ancestors spread across the world, and what that really says about race, history, and who we are. Today, humans live on every continent. We speak thousands of languages. We have different skin colors, eye shapes, hair textures, and customs. But science says something surprising: we all came from the same people. That's not a theory. It's a fact supported by genetics, archaeology, and ancient migration patterns. So, if we all started in the same place, how did we end up so different? Let's go back about 200,000 years. The first modern humans, Homo sapiens, appeared in Africa. Fossils and genetic studies all point to this origin. These early humans were physically like us, but they lived in small groups, moving with the seasons, surviving by hunting and gathering. Eventually, something changed. Small groups began to leave Africa, walking across deserts, climbing mountains, and sailing across narrow seas. Over thousands of years, these groups reached Europe, Asia, and later, the Americas and Australia. As they entered new environments, their bodies slowly adapted. Not in one generation, but over thousands of years. In hot regions near the equator, sunlight was intense and unfiltered. Skin rich in melanin, the pigment that makes skin darker, helped protect against UV rays and sun damage. That's why populations in Africa, South India, and parts of the Pacific have darker skin. But in places farther from the equator, like Northern Europe, there's less sunlight. Lighter skin helped people absorb more vitamin D from the weak sun. Over time, natural selection favored people with lighter skin in these colder climates. The same goes for other features. People in cold climates developed narrower noses, which helped warm cold air before it entered their lungs. In hotter, humid climates, wider noses helped cool and humidify the air. Hair texture changed too. In tropical zones, tightly coiled hair protected the scalp from intense heat. In colder places, straight hair helped retain warmth around the head and neck. Eye shapes adapted as well. The so-called epicanthic fold, found in many East Asian populations, helped protect eyes from wind, dust, and bright snow glare. None of these traits made one group superior to another. They were all survival tools, shaped by nature to fit the world around them. And here's the key point: despite these physical differences, all humans share over 99.9% of the same DNA. Our skin color is controlled by a small number of genes. Our languages, customs, and beliefs pass through culture, not biology. Our differences are only surface deep. In fact, two people from different races might be more genetically similar than two people from the same one. Race, as we often define it, is a human invention, not a biological truth. What we call race is really just geography and adaptation over time. So why does this matter? Because for centuries, people used race to justify slavery, war, and discrimination. But science tells us a different story: we're not separate branches. We're the same tree, with roots that run deep and connect us all. You are the result of a great journey. Your ancestors walked across continents, adapted to harsh lands, and survived countless challenges. So did mine. So did everyone's. We may look different, but we are family, shaped by the earth, but born from the same story. And that story isn't one of division. It's one of survival, movement, and connection. So if you believe the past can bring people together, not just tear them apart, subscribe to Whispers of History. Like this video to support the truth. And comment your thoughts, because your voice matters too.